A full moon illuminates the sky, guiding the path for you and I never bore of gazing up at the stars. Hand in hand, the world is ours. Hi everyone, today I have a super cute DIY that I can't wait to share with you all. This could be made as a Valentine's gift, an anniversary gift, or even a wedding gift, and if you want, you can just display this in your home. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need is a tin. And the tin that I'm going to be using has a lid, so I'm going to be using both parts. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is using this glittered paper that I got from Wilko. Of course, if you don't have this, you can make do with anything that you have. You can just paint something, you can print something, just improvise. Now all I'm doing is just measuring the glittered paper to make sure that it fits to size. I'm making sure that I do two, so one for the lid and one for the inside of the tin. Then I'm going to cut that and stick it down using some glue stick. The next thing you want to do is go over to your search engine, so I'm using Google and I'm just going to type in moon and couple silhouette. Then once you do that, you want to take it into Word or anything that you can maybe resize it in, and make sure that you make it really small because you want it to fit the tin. I'm using this generator to create a vintage style text, so I'm just typing in love you to the moon and back. Then once you've got everything on one document, you're going to print it all out and make sure you do that on card. Once you've printed it out, you're going to cut it, and the couple silhouette is going to take a while. You're going to probably need really small scissors to do it. Oh, and make sure that when you cut your couple silhouette out, that you leave a little tab of paper or card next to the feet so that we can fold it over and have something to stick it down with in the tin. Next, you're going to take some wire and you're going to cut it to size using some pliers. I'm using my hot glue and a sticky foam pad to stick the wire down onto the moon, and then we're using the other opposite end of the wire to stick into the tin. Now I'm taking my couple and I am folding the little piece of white card that I've left under the feet, and then I'm hot gluing it into my tin so that they can stand. Now we're going to work on the lettering, so I'm going to cut my love you to the moon and back in 3 sections. It's completely down to you if you want to do that. Now with each section I am going over the edges with a blue ballpoint pen just to give it some extra character. Once you've done that, you're going to take some double-sided sticky foam pad so that you can stick it onto your lettering, which will then stick onto your tin, and it will just give it some more definition. This is completely optional, but I'm just taking some wooden embellishment stars. I'm adding a bit of colouring to it using my Sharpie pen, and then I'm sticking them onto the tin using my hot glue. So here's the finished project. I think this is adorable. I would love this given to me as a gift. Now it's completely down to you if you want to decorate the outside of the tin, but I liked it this way because if you give it to someone, they just think it's a tin, and then they open it up and it's like a really nice surprise. I also really like the idea of like hidden worlds and things like that, so this for me is perfect, but like I said, just do what you like to do. Anyhow, I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please do leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think of the project in the comments below. And if you want to see more creative ideas, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and turn on all notifications. As always, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!